Alright, let's open this Pokemon Oreo packs with freebies. So this one came from Shopee. Yon, so I'm really excited for this. Kasi sobrang ganda ng freebies nila, as in. So merong 4 kinds of freebies. Yung ceramic plate, 2 types of glasses na may different designs. 4 designs sa isa, tapos 2 designs sa isa. Yan. So, pack siya fragile. Yan. Meron tayong multi-packs. So, ito yung 260 pesos. So, you get a vanilla and strawberry multi-pack. Tapos, meron silang kasama na dalawang slugs. Tawag nila dito slugs. Yan. And of course, yung freebie natin, which is yung glass. Okay. Ay, ang ganda ng box. At guys, sobrang heavy niya, no? Ang ganda. It's so nice. So, for the collector's glass, meron tayong box na sobrang ganda ng design. So, you have Mew, Charmander, Squirtle, Sableye, Bulbasaur, Dratini, Cyndaquil, Pikachu. And special edition glass with cookie holder. So, ito naman, in this side, we have Lapras, Piplup, Pancham, Sandshrew, Jigglypuff, Snivy, Rowlet, and Grookey. Yan. Okay, tapos yung Oreo branding sa taas. Oh, ito na yun. So, this is the glass with cookie holder. Oh my gosh, guys. Sobrang ganda. It's thick. It's a thick glass. So, thick glass siya. And basa pa yung ano ko with alcohol. Yan. So, thick glass siya. You can see the Oreo branding and the Pokemon logos. Tapos, all of the Pokemon that you can find in the Oreo packs is plastered here. Inulit lang siya. Yan. Tapos, you have the directions. So, tingnan natin tong ang tawag to. Let's see this cookie holder. Babasagin siya. So, the cookie holder that I got is the blue one. Tapos, you can put your Oreo cookies here. However, babasagin din siya. So, you have to be careful na hindi siya mabasag. So, yon, it's really nice, guys. Make sure to get yours in Lazada, Shopee. I'm gonna put the links in the description box. So, open natin yung next.